Mm-hmm. 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 Because that's okay, okay, I got your point. But even though you see, you try to connect with people, you definitely get a good people. Sometimes what happen, people are busy in their personal and professional life, right? Sometimes they are using in break time. They are at office and they get a lunch break time. That's when they use this platform, and their lunch time over, they disconnect the call. Then you don't think they don't want to interact with you. Maybe they get unexpected situation and they never get isolate place, or someone come inside their room, then they disconnect the call, right? But you try, definitely you get a good people here. And I think maximum professional people using this platform, they also want to enhance their English speaking, and they want to speak better way, because as a Indian, we never use always in English in our life, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Of course, definitely. Because of no, if you get promotion, it's okay. According to your seniority, according to your qualification, you definitely get your promotion, no doubt. It's okay. But if you sit that miss big position, and if you interact with higher authority people, that's when you feel underestimate with yourself, right? Because they are hmm, right, right. I appeared many competitive exam, but I didn't get, maybe lack of knowledge or lack of intelligence. Intelligence. That's why maybe. Then I'm trying, but let's see what happen in future. I maximum time I was in waiting list. Mhm. 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 Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that is a big issue for everyone. But if you have interest, if you have willingness, and if you have determination, and you think yourself, I want to achieve that destination, then definitely you can do it. No issue, any kind of obstacle, no issue, any kind of hurdles, right? Of course, definitely I am searching government job, no doubt, anyone. That is so far from my home to Konak temple. Of course, definitely many time. Yep, yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I will tell you why difference between different temple of Konak temple. Is it your query? Okay. When Konark temple was built, that's when it required 1200 mason, and king means it took also 12 years. And when sun rises, then sun first fall down inside temple. Yeah, that's why Konark it called Konark temple. After, pardon? Of course, yeah, I got your point. Before people they told us, and we also have read from book about it, right? And author they had written about Konark temple, then we know about it,